So now we're going to use the example that we were using before and make what's called a box plot. So a box plot is going to be a visual display that you see often in this class. So the things that you need for that are the 5-number summary, and that's about it actually. So what we're going to do is we are going to start with our horizontal axis, and I'm going to label it as amount of fats. So looking at my values, the lowest thing I have is 9 and the highest is 33. So if you want, you can go by 5s, you can go by 10s, you can go by 3s, whatever you want to do. I'm actually going to go by 5s. You'll notice I do not start with 0, which is fine. When you're working with quantitative data, you don't need to. So I'm going to go by 5s. Make sure, one thing I want to caution you about is make sure that you have an even scale with even intervals. So I'm not going to just start with 9 and then 15 and then 19 and 24.5 and then 33. I'm going to do it by 5 starting at 5. So what we're going to do is we are going to start by plotting the 5 values that we have. So the minimum is going to be kind of a smaller tick mark. The Q1 is going to be a bigger mark that's parallel to that. The median and the Q3 are going to be the same size as the Q1 and they're going to be parallel. And your maximum is going to look similar to your minimum. And it's going to be a small tick mark. From there, you are going to connect the stuff that is in your interquartile range, and you're also going to connect the maximum and minimum values. And that's your box plot.